Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the lecture of biostatistics, and we are uh, having a topic of measures of central tendency. In biostatistics, mean, mode, and median are called as measure of central tendency. Measures of central tendency are very important and a prime importance in the study of biostatistics. We will understand the importance of the measurements of measures of central tendency uh, by the following example. There is a problem that a teacher checked the result of 10 students in the class in a random test of mathematics. The total marks obtained by each student are given as under 7, 20, 15, 18, 9, 25, and 28, 6, 10, and 20. There was a test was conducted by a teacher of 10 students. The total marks in the test was 30 marks, and the students in the class obtained these marks in this manner. So we are given this data. This is called our data, and we now go to find the mean, median, and mode for this data. Okay. So first of all, we will arrange all this data in the ascending order: 7, 20, 15, 18, 9, 25, 28, 6, 10, and 20. This is given in a random manner. So first step to solve to find the mean, median, and mode for this data is to arrange the data into the ascending order. So I am given to arrange the data into the ascending order. So I have arranged my data in the ascending order. This is 6, 7, 9, 10, 15, 18, 20, 20, 25, and 28. Now what I have to do, I have to first of all find the mean for this data. So I am going to write the mean and its formula for this data. So the formula for finding the mean of this data is x bar is equal to summation x divided by n, where summation x is the total sum of observations, the total sum of the total of all these observations, total sum of the observations, and n is the total number of observations. So I am going to find now the summation x and write the n for this data. Summation x is 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus 15 plus 18 plus 20 plus 20 plus 25 and plus 28 is equal to 158. So this is the summation x, yani the sum of the total of all the observations, and n is the number of total of the observation. This is equal to 10. Now I am going to put these values in my formula. So x bar is equal to summation x is 158 and total number of observation is 10. So my result is 15.8. So this is the mean for this data. 15.8 is the mean of this, or the average of this data. This is the average number of marks obtained by a student. Okay? Obtained by all the students, the average of all those marks. To find median for this data, I have this formula: n plus 1 divided by 2. N is the total number of observations is equal to 10, and plus 1 and divide by 2. So this will become 11 upon 2, and which is equal to 5 upon 5. So what is meant by the 5 find 5 and find means that the median for this data exists between the fifth and sixth observation. 5 and find means that the mean exists between the fifth and sixth observation of this data. So this is 15 is the fifth observation and 16 is the 18th observation. So I will write the 15 observations for median. 15, fifth observation is 15 and the sixth observation is 18. I will sum of those two and will divide these two upon 2, so which will become 16.5. So 16.5 is the median for this data. So it's very easy to find the mean for any data in this statistical data, which I have find this for my data is 16.5. Okay, my last finding or measure of central tendency is mode, and mode means the most occurring number in the data. So if I see my data, 20 is the most occurring number in the data, not any other number is repeated. There may be one mode or two mode, but the most occurring and the repeating number is 20. So the mode for this data is 20. So I hope students this will be very helpful for you to find these basic definitions of the statistics, and it will be very easy for you to find the mean, median and more for any ungrouped data. Further we will discuss the group data in the next video. Thank you so much.